some more? You want some more?
No.
Oh, Paul, why don't you go and get yourself a donut before John eats them all?
I got my stuff over.
John, if you're finished, you're excused. Now go outside.
I'm not through.
You're through. Now go outside.
It's raining.
Then go downstairs. Go anywhere. Now. What did you do in school today, Paul?
The last time I asked you children to write a story and use your imagination, I got 13 stories on how I went to the store with my mother. Now this time I want you to call it a rainy day story, and this time, children, I want you to use more of the word I have written on the board. Imagination. Your minds are like big empty storehouses. Begin to fill them. Begin by asking yourselves, what if? The magic what if, and go on from there. Begin by asking yourselves, what if? The magic what if, and go on from there. You can start by learning to use the things around you in new ways, to see them in new ways. Daydreaming? Well, I'll be interested to see what you write in your story, Paul.
Are you daydreaming, Paul? You look like you're a million miles away.
Well, I'll be very interested to see what you write in your story, Paul. I'll be interested to see what you write in your story, Paul. Your minds are like big empty storehouses. Begin to fill them.
Cowboys? No, I don't want to fight cowboys. I gotta do this homework. Now, out, out, out. Out.
You can start by learning to use the things around you in new ways, to see them in new ways. Begin by asking yourselves, what if? The magic what if, and go on from there.
A rainy day story. One rainy afternoon, I came home after a hard day's work. I knew right away something was wrong by the way Rex, our watchdog, was looking so nervous. My heart was pounding as I went into the kitchen. There he was, big as life, sitting right at my dinner table, in my chair, the infamous John Hardy, the famous outlaw. I could see right away my mother didn't want him there. She was real scared and clutched me. Hardy was making a pig out of himself at the table, knocking everything all over the place and telling real dopey jokes to my sister Jojo.
And I threw it in the garbage, and then when she burst, purple bubbles came out.
He gave me a real dirty look, but I just stared him down. All of a sudden, he was gone, and he had taken Jojo with him. I did the only thing I could do. I went to my room to get a weapon. I had seen what Hardy could do when he was mad. But I had to rescue my sister. I knew it was a showdown at last. It was either him or me. Just for a second, I got nervous. He wasn't so big, but he sure was mean and ugly. Real fast, I thought of all the things I could do to him. But I didn't really want to hurt him. He reminded me of someone I knew when I was young. So I decided right then and there to scare him a little and teach him a lesson. I drew my twisty magic wand and changed myself into an eagle. But I should have known it wouldn't be that easy. Because John Hardy was so mean, he could shoot an eagle. There was only one thing left I could do. I zapped him. Now we all know that an eagle can eat up a rabbit. But my sister loves him. Anyway, he wouldn't be any more trouble. So I changed myself back, and we took John Hardy home and kept him for a pet. The end.
Wow. Well, we don't have to play cowboys. We can play something else.
Okay, John, what do you want to play?
We could play monsters.
The end.